guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing my Ipsy and seeing the things that I got in here. I really do not know what I got in my Ipsy box, so without further ado, let's just unbox it and see what I got. Okay, so just unwrapping it. So I did do the sneak peek of when they released, like what I was getting, and I looked the day that they sent me the email, but I haven't looked since, so I don't really know what is in this bag. So first, kind of impression of it, the bag is super adorable. It's like these beautiful little butterflies, and it's like, you know, kind of not really sparkly, but kind of that shiny material. And then the back is just like this purple lavender, and it's like matte and super pretty. So the first thing that we pulled out is just the social butterflies, just like the card behind the bag and the theme. So first thing, I am super excited about this liner. I got, this is the brand Ciate London. I did get one of their eyeliners in one of the previous bags that they sent me like a long time ago. And I have used it, and it's like, honestly, it's kept me up for about 3-ish months. So I'm super excited about this one and using it tomorrow, but I'm gonna unbox it right here and see how I like it. So this is the cutest thing ever. So apparently this is a stamp eyeliner. So I don't really know what the stamp part is for, but it's literally a stamp, like literally a star, which is super adorable. Maybe if you can, like, I don't know what you do with this, but here is the tippy part. And it is super black, super pigmented. I cannot wait to use this tomorrow, having a new eyeliner. But yeah, this is it. It has the stamp, and then it has just the other side. So it is dual-ended, which I kind of like. The next thing that we have is this copper color eyeshadow, and if I'm not mistaken, this is loose eyeshadow, so I'm not going to open it just because I'm on carpet, and I don't want this to splatter all over my carpet and destroy it. But anyway, so it's the Meech and Mia kind of gold eyeshadow. Honestly, I'm not the first to admit, but Ipsy sent me a loose eyeshadow like a while back, and I have not touched it. I'm not really drawn. I like more matte shades than like loose pigment shades, so probably not going to use that. But yeah. Okay, so the next thing that I got is this cute little eyeshadow brush, and y'all know that I love doing eyeshadow, clearly, and this is a super adorable little blending brush. It's by Glamour Dolls, and how cute is it? So it has like little stars kind of detailing, super adorable. I love the end. Yeah, I really love this. Okay, so the next thing that we have in here is the Trifle Cosmetic Sugar Bunny Heavenly Lip Scrub, and I don't know if I'm ever going to use this. Probably going to give it to my mom, like I do most things anyway. So I'm gonna open this and see kind of what it is and what it does to my lips. Okay, so I don't know like when I'm supposed to use this, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my lips. And I guess probably just gonna like let it sit there, and then like I'll wash it off. I have no clue. My lips are always like super dry, and like, don't judge me if I'm doing this wrong. I don't know what to do. But I'm just gonna let this sit and see the heavenly magic that it's going to give. Okay, so, and then the last but not least, the last thing that we have is this is by Filorga, I don't know how to pronounce that. I probably butchered the name, but it is a smoothing radiance mask. And actually, when I take my makeup off, I'm going to try this out. So, I'm just going to squirt some on my hand just to kind of see the pigmentation and how it's going to feel. So it smells really good. It's super creamy. So yeah, I'm actually really excited about this. Kind of gives my like skin a nice glow, because I am super dry and I want that glowy look rather than the matte look. But yeah, I'm super excited about all these products. I cannot wait to test it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys all enjoy. This was like one of my favorite things of every month, is to open my Ipsy bag and kind of see what I get in here. If you want to subscribe to my Ipsy link, I'm going to link my Ipsy link down below. And you can get your bag for $10 a month for 5 travel size products. So if you're kind of new to makeup and you just want kind of to vamp up your makeup collection, Ipsy would be perfect for you. Just kind of get those basics. kind of products and all. So it's super cute, and I absolutely love the bag. So yeah, if you want to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to like, comment on my videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.